Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the microphone not working problem in Audacity. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity on your computer. If your microphone is not working, the problem is usually related to audio settings or microphone permissions. Go to the Edit menu and click Preferences. Then open Audio Settings. Check that your playback and recording settings are configured correctly. For voice recording, use mono as the recording channel. Next, open Windows Settings and go to Privacy and Security, then click Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on. Also enable Let Desktop Apps access your microphone. Now go to System, then Sound, and open the Input section. Check whether your microphone is detected by Windows and make sure the input volume is not muted or set too low. After checking these settings, close Audacity and open it again. Click the Record button and test your microphone. If the waveform appears while speaking, the microphone is working correctly. If Audacity still does not detect your microphone, reconnect the microphone, restart Audacity, and check the Windows microphone settings again. These simple steps solve most microphone problems in Audacity and help you record clear audio without any issues. That's how to fix a microphone not working in Audacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.